Here we will write a Python program to print sum of first n natural numbers using default constructor. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define class print sum, and we will initialize the value of first n natural number as n equal to 5. Here we will define method print total with self. Then we will define variables I, which is initialized with 1, and total, which is initialized with 0. And we will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to self.n, we will calculate the total as total equal to total plus I, and we will increment I as I equal to I plus 1. Then after completing while loop, we will print the total as sum of numbers as total. Then we will create object of our class. So p equal to print sum, and we will call the method p dot print total. Then we will save it. Then we will execute it. It will print sum of numbers as 15.